How to log into your Facebook page. What's up everybody? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your Facebook page. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in. So if you have a Facebook page connected to your account, you just have to go to the menu icon at the top right corner. Now from here you'll be able to see your pages. Tap on it and then you will be able to see all of your pages at once. Just tap on any one of them and a pop-up will appear asking you to switch account. So if you just tap on switch, you should be able to switch back to your Facebook page. Now once you land on your Facebook page, you could just go ahead and tap on the menu icon and see that you've successfully switched to your account. There is one other thing that you can do. So you will find this drop down menu right here. And then from here, you can switch to any of your accounts from this drop down. So let's say if I want to switch back to my real main account, I can tap on it and I can easily switch back to the main account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next video.